Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add announcement bar in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify store. Now after log into your Shopify store, open your Shopify dashboard and now click on the online store button. After clicking on the online store button, click on the themes button and then click on the customize button. After that, click on the header from left menu. Now scroll down to the announcement bar and tick or select the show announcement bar. After that, a text option is there to write any particular text. So whatever you write in the text bar, whatever you write the text in the bar, it will appear on the top of the website and click on the save button. So now reload the website and here you will see the headline. So that's how you will add announcement bar to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.